There are certain factors that I would like to suggest to the government when the government is calculating the impact on the shipping industry by trying to bring this bill. Some of the related problems plaguing the shipping industry are container shortage, surge in freight rate and shipping cost, shipping delays at the ports and turnarounds at the ports. Now, some of the major problems are at customs and immigration. Complex documentation, inaccurate or incomplete paperwork, goods misclassification, valuation issues, delays due to strict regulations, potential for corruption, lack of transparency in the process, and difficulties with classifying restricted or prohibited items, often leading to significant delays in import and export shipments. Key points about custom clearance issues in India at the ports are documentation challenges, missing or incorrect information on customs declaration, invoices and other required documents that can cause delays. Incorrect classifying goods can lead to incorrect duty calculations and clearance issues. Valuation disputes. Disputes over the assessed value of imported goods can lead to delays and additional charges. Regulatory barriers. Complex system of import and export regulations, including restrictions on certain items which can be difficult to navigate. Bureaucratic hurdles. The customs clearance process can be lengthy and involve multiple approvals leading to delays. In some cases, custom officials may demand bribes to expedite the clearances of goods. So this bill of lading has to have provisions to ensure such practices are not allowed at the customs or at clearance places at the port. Lack of transparency. Importers may not have clear information on duty rates and other custom requirements, creating uncertainty. Technology issues. Glitches in the electronic customs clearance system can further hamper the process.